guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're doing is called the Whisper Challenge. You know what you gotta do in the Whisper Challenge, right?
What do you have to do?
What you have to do. You don't know what to do.
No.
Basically, I'm gonna say some stuff and you're gonna have to guess what I'm saying. So we're gonna rock, paper, scissors for this one. Ready?
Okay.
Right. Don't teeth, you know. You love teeth.
Come.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Oh.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. That's one.
Oh, damn.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. That's two. Yellow buddy? Yellow buddy?
What?
Yellow buddy?
Do
Yellow buddy?
money?
No, buddy.
Buddy.
Buddy. Say it.
Huh?
Say it.
Do you love buddy? Don't ask me that.
So, we are going to christen the new house.
What?
So, we are going to christen the new house.
What?
We are going to christen the apartment.
I didn't get anything you just said.
So,
we
are go
christen.
christen.
What?
Christen.
What?
Christen.
Stop that.
Christen.
Christen
The new apartment.
the new apartment.
Read it. Say.
So we're going to christen the new apartment. When we're going to christen the new apartment?
One time I fall off a horse and drop and bust my ass.
What?
One time I fall off a horse and drop and bust my ass.
One time
I fall off a horse.
you fall off a horse and bust your ass.
You know what we do on the river on the bank?
What?
On the river on the bank. Do you know if on the river on the bank?
What?
Do you know if on the river on the bank?
Do you?
Do you? No fi? No fi? No fi?
Love?
No. Do you know fi?
What?
Do you know fi? Fi?
Do you know how to?
No. Do you know fi?
Do you know Opie?
Do you know fi on the river on the bank?
Pond the river.
Do you know fi?
Do you know how to pond the river?
On the river.
Pond the bank.
Do you Tik Tok Tok?
What?
Do you Tik Tok Tok? Do you Tik Tok Tok? Do you Tik Tok Tok?
You're not even opening your mouth.
Do you Tik Tok Tok? Do you Tik Tok Tok?
What?
Do you Tik Tok Tok?
What?
Do you Tik Tok Tok? No.
One word at a time.
Tick? Do you?
Do you?
Tick?
Take?
Tick.
Eat?
Tick.
What?
Tick.
Open your mouth.
Tick.
Do you
Tick.
lick?
Tick.
Dick?
Tick.
What?
Tick. Tick. Tick.
Tick? Do you tick?
Tock.
Talk.
Pa.
Do you tick tock on cock?
It's sweet to the best, squeeze out the rest like Jezza, don't shut
What?
It's sweet to the best, squeeze out the rest like Jezza, don't shut
I can't say anything you're saying.
It's sweet too? It's sweet too?
Do you want to?
No, it's sweet too.
You want to?
No, it's sweet too.
Do you want to?
It's sweet too.
Do you want to?
It's sweet too.
What?
It's sweet too.
What?
It?
Eat?
No, eat.
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 Eat. Do you want to eat?
Eat. Eat.
Eat.
Eat.
Hit.
Eat.
Hit.
Eat. Eat.
Heat.
Eat.
Eat.
Eat. Eat. Eat.
It.
Eat.
Do you want to eat it?
No. Eat.
It.
Eat. Sweeto.
What?
Sweeto. Sweet.
Sweet? It's sweet.
To.
You.
To.
To.
D.
It's sweet you too.
D.
Dick.
D.
Hit.
D.
Dig.
D.
Dig.
D. D.
What?
D.
Dig.
No. D.
It's sweet you to
D.
lick.
D.
Lick.
D.
Dick.
D.
Dig.
D.
It's sweet you to the bone.
No, you get bone, I didn't say bone. Belly.
It's sweet to the belly.
It's sweet to the belly. Squeeze our breast, I'm like.
What?
Squeeze. Squeeze out the breast like jelly, don't Shelly.
What?
Squeeze out the breast like jelly, don't Shelly.
Start from the top.
Squeeze.
It's sweet.
To?
You.
No.
To the
Sweet to the belly.
sweet to the belly.
Squeeze out the breast, Sam. Squeeze out the breast.
What?
Squeeze out. Squeeze. Squeeze.
Tweet.
Squeeze.
Sweet.
Squeeze.
Sweet.
Squeeze.
Tweet.
Squeeze.
To.
Squeeze. Squeeze.
Squeeze. Up your breast like Shelly.
You know lyrics?
It's sweet to the belly. Squeeze out the breast like Shelly.
No, jelly.
Jelly. Go Shelly.
Not go Shelly. Where you gonna go Shelly? It's down Shelly. Squeeze out the breast and like trigger my. No, I'm singing my father. It's sweet to the belly. Squeeze out the breast like jelly, don't Shelly.
It's sweet to the belly. Squeeze out the breast like jelly. Go Shelly.
Don't.
What?
Don't.
Go
No.
Do it.
Don't.
Don't Shelly.
Say it.
Sweet to the belly. Squeeze up your breast like Shelly. Don't.
Alright, she don't get it. She don't get it.
Do you
Do you
like
like?
to suck?
Your mouth is not moving.
To suck.
Punani.
No. Do you
Curry.
Do you
Do you
like
like
to
to
suck?
lick?
Suck.
What?
To suck.
Suck?
Toes.
What?
Toes.
Food?
Toes.
What?
Toes.
What?
Toes.
Food?
Toes.
What?
Toes. Toes.
What? Do you like to suck?
Toes.
Toes? Toes?
Say it. When last.
What?
When last.
What class?
When
When?
last.
Last?
Did you?
What?
Did you?
Did you? When last you did you?
When last did you?
Oh, when last I do?
No.
Nasty.
I didn't ask you that.
Oh, it wasn't that?
I said last.
When last
Did you
did you
have
have
a wet dream? Wet have a
when last did you have
a
a
wet
wet
dream?
when last you had a wet dream?
Two.
Did I have a wet dream?
When last?
When last did I have a wet dream?
Two.
What?
Two. I'm not done.
Oh, when last
Two.
did you have a wet dream too? To Jennifer Lopez. That was easy. That's my baby mama.
How many?
Come in.
How many
How many? How many what?
balls?
Box?
Balls.
Butts?
Balls.
Balls? How many balls I have?
Can you
How many balls can you?
fit?
What?
Fit
How many balls can you fit
in
in
your
your
mouth?
next. Why?
Do you
Do you?
want me to sit in your face?
That's opposite.
Do you want me to sit in your face?
Wait. What?
Do you
Do you
want me to?
wipe?
Want me to?
What?
Want me to?
Do you what? What's that?
Do you want me to?
Do you want pussy?
No. Do you want me to
Do you want me to?
sit in your face?
Do you want me to?
Sit.
Sex you.
Sit.
Sex you.
Sit. 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 Sit.
Sit on your face.
Yes.
Do you want me to sit on your face?
Rather be a
Would you rather be in here
Would you rather be in a
What? Would you rather?
be a hamster size?
What?
Be a hamster.
Slow.
Be
Would you rather
be a.
what?
Would you rather be
Would you rather be
a hamster size?
opposite sex?
A hamster size.
Would you rather be
A
Amsterdam?
a hamster sized.
Amsterdam.
Hamster.
Amsterdam.
Hamster.
Would you rather be at Amsterdam?
Hamster. Would you rather be a hamster? Hamster. Hamster.
Would you rather be arm size?
What the fuck? Hamster.
Oh, would you rather be at hamster size?
Elephant.
Hamster size, elephant.
Or.
What?
Or.
Whore?
Or.
Whore.
2 letters. Or. An elephant size. Or.
Oh, okay. Let's start from the top. Would you rather be
Uh-huh.
a hamster size or
No.
Whore.
And hamster size.
would you rather be a whore?
Okay, yeah.
Would you rather be
Yes.
a hamster size
Elephant.
or
No. Hamster size elephant.
would you rather be a hamster size or elephant?
No. Would you rather be a hamster sized elephant?
I can't get it. I'm sorry, but keep it another one. Would you rather be hamster size or elephant?
No.
Then it's what? I don't give up on that one. What?
Would you rather be a hamster sized elephant or an elephant sized hamster?
What kind of shit was you telling me? Hope you guys enjoyed that. Some weird shit we talk about.
Chad is sick.
You're the one that said it. If like toes.
You do like toes.
Like I like looking at toes. What's wrong with looking at toes? I judge a woman by toes, by the way. She has some pretty feet too.
Whatever.
Alright. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. You know I'm here for a good time and a long time. We're out this bitch.
Bye.
Close him out. That's lame.
Overdo it, oh yeah. Y'all be say, why make you clean so? Y'all be say, why make you clean so?